want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude. First and foremost, I want to thank incredible parents for their unwilling support, endless love, and tireless sacrifices. Thank you for believing me and encouraging me to study more. To my amazing teachers, thank you for the dedication, patience, and guidance. You challenge me to grow in our fields and valuable lessons both inside and outside the classroom. For the wonderful classmates, and thank you, my companions, for spreading a group of different social experiences and the my life in this space. And lastly,